if you didn't know, every April, the Galveston County District Attorney's Office observes National Crime Victims' Rights Week. It's a week to promote victims' rights and to really honor victims and the people who advocate for them. CW39 Houston's Kara Willis is live from the Galveston County DA's office now to share how it's supporting these victims as well. Good morning, Kara.
Good morning, Sharon. I'm here with Miss Kayla Allen this morning to tell us more about the week and how you can involve with it. And she even has some history with how it got started. And of course, we want to do our part, especially when it comes to our victims. So Kayla, thank you so much. I know you mentioned it's so early, but it's such an important topic. So thank you for being here. Why don't you take things off for us and tell us a little bit about how this week got started and what it means for us?
President Ronald Reagan back in 1982 created National Crime Victims Week, and he did that for crime victims to have an outlet to express what was going on in their lives and to have resources. Back then there wasn't a lot of resources for crime victims, so he wanted to create a task force that would help with resources such as counseling, helping them, have address change and be able to move to different places and stuff like that. So he created a task force to help with that in 1982, and that's been going on ever since then.
And so when it comes to the events, which we'll talk about a little bit later, we won't get into the specifics now, but what does that do for our community and getting involved and that awareness that we should be aware of?
So it helps the community come together and heal. A lot of it's about healing and the resources. I mean, every year during this time, people get to remember their family and talk about, if they've lost a family member, talk about how that family member was important to them. And then if they were victims of a crime, it allows them to talk about their crime. They relive it a little bit, but it helps heal them when they do that.
And so, like I mentioned, we'll have a list of events where people can hear about how they can come out and show their support in person. But let's say they can't come out. What can they do in their community to show honor for this week?
So for instance, last night in Texas City, they had a candlelight vigil at the Nestler Center. And that's where people just again, talk about their family, come out as a community, lean on each other, and just remember their loved ones and remember what happened to them.
Okay. Thank you so much. And we will be back in our 7 o'clock hour to talk more again about the events, how you can do your part and get involved and honor those victims and those who advocate on their behalf. So you're watching CW39 Houston, No Wait, Weather and Traffic.